Hello Facebook world. So I'm going to install the Swantech Industries Viper Grapple on my 1994 Kubota L2950. I don't have a hydraulic outlet here, so I've got to do the electric grapple. I do have some debris forks on there, and they help out picking up brush and stuff, but I'd like the grapple to help me pick up a lot more brush. Anyway, I gotta drill some holes. I gotta run some electrical wire up to the battery. Here's the grapple, all unpackaged. They're out of Ontario, Canada. And my bucket's 58 inches. And this is, this grapple goes 45 to 55, so it'll leave 1.5 inches on each side, which is good. There's all the mounting and wiring. There's the 12-volt hydraulic electric actuator. There's the forward reverse module, all the other wiring. And there's the grapple. There's the mounts. I gotta drill holes in the bucket. That's what those holes are for. And there's the top. That's the pivot. So, alright, let's see how this works out. Alright, so I got the top bar clamped on, got it positioned, and lined up. Just use some particle board for the spacer to hold it. And then it's got the reinforcement right here, so it creates a gap. But it actually came with these thick washers. So after you get your hole drilled, we slide right up in there and fill that gap. So, alright, I guess it's time to drill some 1/2-inch holes. It's going to take 3 on each side. Alright, so I got the mount installed on the bucket. There's those 3. Right there. You just center, since it's made for buckets of different widths, they didn't put pilot holes or anything here, otherwise they might be off. So I just drilled through here and backside with a 1/2-inch drill bit. And I got 3 more to go. It's coming together. You can see those 1/2-inch spacers. Because if I hadn't used, or those spacers, if I hadn't used them, this thing would be canted that way. You can see the gap right there. So, alright, she's coming along. Alright, so I got assembly complete. She's all bolted in. And that's how that piece goes together. There's the motor. And, alright. Now it's time for the wiring, which the instructions make it pretty clear. Alright, so I got her wired in. There's the actuator. It's on accessory right now, so it'll work. I got the switch on the joystick for the bucket. And there we go. Just like that. And that's it. Pretty cool. Again, this is Swantech Industries out of Canada. That's their Grapple.